Okay, this isn't about disappointing sales or anything like that, but for real this time, the iPhone X is on its deathbed, and Tim Cook is about to pull the plug.
Get daily tech news in a way that doesn't suck. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Front Page Tech, of course, show that gives you all the latest tech news from one geek, that is me, to another, that is you. Also, the show that is best consumed on the toilet. Yeah, that's right. We prefer you watch this show while also taking a shit. News. Hey, story numero uno. There's a brand new Microsoft product out there for you to ignore and forget about next week. I kid. It's a new Surface tablet. It's called the Surface Go, and it's only 399 buckaroonies. $400. It is an inexpensive 10-inch tablet designed to be a smaller and less powerful version of what we already have in the Surface Pro. Now, the base model is what that $399 price tag is on. It ships with 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, and a less powerful Intel Pentium Gold processor. Now, while other headlines are saying that this is direct competition for Chromebooks and iPads, I'm not so sure about that. You see, regardless of the headlines, it's not very clear exactly who Microsoft is targeting with this tablet, and it's still Windows, right? Is this like an educational sort of thing? Is that the push here? I can't see this as an iPad competitor because it's not a mobile-first friendly sort of operating system. You get my feels? What do you guys think? Microsoft Surface Go, yay or nay? Oh, sweet baby Jesus, YouTube is finally fixing all of the notification and sub box issues that plague the platform. Oh, God. I'm just kidding. They're not doing that at all. They're just adding another feature that, like, why? They're not fixing anything. They're not. Of all things for YouTube to add to the platform, Incognito mode. That's what they're doing. Now, to be clear, the feature's only going to be available on Android, at least for now. Maybe sometime iOS, probably not. I don't know, I don't care. It's exactly what you would expect. The mode will let you, the user, browse videos on the mobile app without having to worry about watch and search history. Search history. Did I say that word right? I don't know if I did. If you want to use it, it's available in the account section of the app. You just turn on Incognito mode where the toggle is. Okay. Now, at first, I was like, what in the hell are you people watching on YouTube? What kind of videos are you watching that you would like to hide from your search and watch history? But then I was like, you know what? This isn't Incognito mode. This is a condom. A condom to slip on and protect us from YouTube themselves. This is for the people that want to watch just one Vine compilation video or just one Logan Paul video. Because you know, once you do that, YouTube's gonna be like, whoa, what? He what? He did it! He watched one! He watched one! The time has come! Recommend all Logan Paul videos to this dude. Just every single one of them on his homepage right now. Do it. YouTube algorithm. Yeah! Yeah. Now I get it. Okay, so the iPhone X, it's about to die, but not because of like disappointing sales or not selling up to expectations, at least Apple's expectations, but only because it makes total sense that the phone has to die, and it has to die this year. And my friends, we're not talking just the iPhone X. Let's add in the iPhone SE as well. The iPhone X, when it launched, as you know, was $999. That was the price. And usually every year when a new iPhone is announced, the previous year's phone gets a price drop. Okay, that's fine. But if they drop the price of the current iPhone X by September, that price would be $899. And as you know, in September, Apple is launching another follow-up iPhone X, a 5.8-inch device. One analyst calls it the iPhone 11. Not sure about that. But that phone is going to launch at $899, that $900 price point. Do you see the issue? So if you have the old iPhone X at $899 with that price drop, and the new iPhone 11 at $899 that will cancel each other out. That other iPhone 10 will totally cannibalize the sales. And if you've been watching for a while, 7 months ago, we told you this was coming. We literally did an episode called Apple is discontinuing the iPhone 10. 7 months ago. Told you it was going to happen. And it makes sense for the iPhone SE, too. We're going to have 3 new iPhones this year priced almost perfectly. What the analyst is calling the iPhone 11 Plus at $999, the iPhone 11, if that's what we're calling it, at $899, and then the iPhone 9, that 6.1-inch LCD device, for $700. So totally axing and discontinuing the iPhone 10 and iPhone SE will make production halt on those devices and open up more resources to be able to produce and manufacture more of these 2018 models. So yeah, this makes total sense, both from a pricing standpoint and a production standpoint. The pricing thing, like, it doesn't make sense to offer an old model at the same price point as the new model this year. So just totally axe it, get rid of it, we don't need it. And production, let's just clear out production lines. Let's discontinue these phones so you have more room and more resources to produce the new models that are coming out this year. Like I said, Apple is going to aggressively target the market in a way that they haven't for years. I've been trying to tell you guys that. And to do that, they're going to need to clear out production lines and just start cranking out these new devices.
And now, today's sponsor.
In a land where premium content packages will be the norm and ISPs can control the very websites you see, VPNs are an invaluable tool to preserve what's left of our sweet internet freedom, especially Freedom VPN by FSecure. Freedom VPN gives you all the tools that you need to browse the internet with confidence, knowing that those pesky ISPs won't stop you from having an unfiltered and unthrottled experience. Freedom VPN scans literally every website you visit, keeping harmful threats away, and their intuitive user interface lets you control everything with a single button. And trust us, you can feel safe knowing that you're in good hands with FSecure. They've been defending tens of millions of users around the globe from digital threats for over 25 years. That's more years than I've even been alive. So check out the link in the video description below. You can click that and get a free 5 days of Freedom VPN. And of course, huge thanks to FSecure for keeping us safe and supporting this community. And that's the show. Hopefully you liked it, you learned something. If you did, hit that like button. If you hate my stupid face, go ahead and hit the dislike button. And of course, if you're new here, I'm sorry. But if you want to continue watching these episodes and make sure you don't miss another one when we make another one, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you tomorrow.